First of all, I have to check Composer. You can see my Composer runs successfully. Now I'm running my Xampp server, so I start Apache and MySQL. Minimize this. I have to install Laravel globally using Composer. So type Composer global require Laravel/installer. Now I'm gonna create a new Laravel app. Must ensure that the app name has no space. And type Laravel new my_Laravel _app and hit enter. You can see Laravel downloading and installing. Application key set successfully. Application ready. Build something amazing. I open my Laravel app, open resources folder and go to views. You can see welcome.blade.php, open routes folder. Click on composer.json file. Here you can see the required framework PHP versions, sale, PHP unit. I close this window and type cd to change directory my_Laravel_app. Type php artisan server running on. Click this link using Ctrl and left click and navigate. You can see the fresh new Laravel 10. If I reload this page, you can see Laravel 10.3 version and PHP version is 8.1.12. If it is helpful for you, please like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.